This is to show you how to use BMW Turbo Decoder HU92. Now we will make a demonstration on a brand new BMW lock. And we will use this toy just to show you that the lock is new and that the dead lock will work. Hold the turbo decoder, turn the back wheel left to end position and pull the gate out. Now you reset code to 0 position. Turn the back wheel right and the gate to the front. Now pull the gate out. Let the tension be on the left side. If you feel that it's loose, then you have to put it in the opposite way. Tension must be only to the left. Pull the gate out and turn the back wheel left till stop. When it's open, you stay in the turn position to the max and jagger. You will have the code to unlock and lock the door. To remove turbo decoder all the way to the right, close the gate and take it out. Read the key code. If you put it again, turbo decoder will work. You need to reset the turbo decoder to use it on another car.